I'm Officer Montre, Federal Police Department. I turned on my lights and sirens and you didn't stop? Or turn on my lights?
I did. I just backed to our parking spot. Sorry.
Okay. Usually, like, if it's a traffic stop, you just kind of stop where you are.
Didn't know which traffic stop. There's a lot of raids around here.
A lot of raids, you say?
Raids as in, like...
Here to the side of your car, you have a, were you at the gas station?
I was.
14 copy. This is probably going to be a DUI.
You're f***ing kidding me. You're f***ing kidding me.
14, I said it's a possible DUI.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I was over there with my boyfriend. He just put gas in my car.
That's what I'm trying to figure out, like, if I can get that back to the gas station or whatnot.
Definitely. I didn't know he hadn't put it back in there. I literally just, like, drove off because he told me it was good.
Interesting.
I feel like cursing him the f*** out. Are you f***ing kidding me? This has been riding on me the entire block.
How far away do you think that gas station was?
Less than a mile.
Less than a mile away?
Honestly, a couple of blocks.
Okay.
It wasn't even that much.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay.
Okay, so I'll be honest with you. With this and your driving and all this, do you have your license on you by chance? So this is.
I had not even pumped the gas.
Okay, but because I stopped you initially, it doesn't matter that you parked your car. This is a traffic stop. Okay. So I need your license, please.
That's perfectly fine. I don't have it on me. I have my passport right now.
Okay. I have reason to believe that you're impaired tonight while you're driving your vehicle. Correct. Like under the influence of a substance. Do you understand?
Only my eyes and not my head. So meaning I can't move my head, I can only move my eyes.
Correct.
Yes. Got it.
Okay. Remember to follow the green light with your eyes, okay?
I am.
Keep your hands on by your side for me, okay? So keep your head this way. Point your nose towards me. There you go. Good job. And then just follow it with your eyes, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
In a heel-to-toe manner. Keep your hands on by your side.
5, 4, 1005, 1006. Sorry, can't keep my balance up. How far do you want me to go?
I'll tell you when to stop. Oh, okay. So you're getting ready to go back to Florida?
I am.
Okay. Is this all you have? Is this backpack right here?
I do. Is there something wrong?
Yeah. So, well, right now you're under arrest for DUI.
No.
Listen, Melina.
No. Tell him, my daughter is already.
Listen.
There's already
you cannot drive a vehicle intoxicated.
Can I go with her? Her.
Yeah.
I'll meet you there though.
Okay.
I'm gonna lose my fucking kid. I
No.
need my kid.
Nope.
What do you mean, no?
So right now you're under arrest, ma'am.
What do you mean under arrest? Under arrest for what?
She already told you. So
A DUI? A DUI for what?
I need you to take a breath, okay?
I have taken a couple of breaths.
Okay, we'll keep...
Really? Y'all don't even have...
Ma'am, you're under arrest, okay?
Yeah, of course.
Nothing is
Of course not. As long as y'all put me under handcuffs.
That's why we shouldn't drink and drive, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. So I've never seen this before. Yeah. Are we booking this?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I saw you.
Because I was like, what is that sound? And
the woman was transferred to holding for processing, where she became uncooperative.
And no. As soon as you guys bring her in here so she can move me and transfer safely, then yes, I will happily oblige you. I can see her if she comes out the room. I can see everything from right here. I'm fine.
She's not even over there.
Or whatever. Sure, however you want to feel. Baby, I will keep banking on whatever the hell I have on me. Because you guys are going to take this shit off. You want to believe I'm drunk? Sure. This is what's on me now. Close the door. Like I would drive drunk with a 4-year-old.
I never said that to you.
Go get her. Just like another fucking police officer. They're always fucking. What's up with white people? I don't understand. No. Go get her. Whole another thing. No. You can go get her. That's the talking about to jail. The fuck? You can go get her. That's what you can do. Or a judge. You can do that too.
The judges don't work on Sundays.
Don't make no nothing out of me. I don't work on Sundays either. Go get somebody. Bye-bye. The door is right there. Go find someone. Police force. So no, you can go get her. You can go get her though. That's perfectly fine. And I know it's really not that hard. It's through a couple of doors. You'll be perfectly fine. And I'm sure you got all the paperwork and equipment to go with that, honey. Go get her. I'm not moving though.
So you're okay if
I'm comfortable with you.
if she comes and puts you in a car, you'll be fine with that. You're not gonna fight. You're gonna be cool.
I'm not moving because you are a white male. Get away from me. Bye. Move.
Okay. Well, I can't leave you.
That's perfectly fine. We'll tell her to come on.
Okay. Well, I'm not leaving you.
Okay, tell her to come on. I've been in custody this entire time, and I've been sitting by myself.
We're going to have
That
to
I
take.
would be going home just to.
If
get
we
you
could
to
release.
agree.
No. If we could release you to an adult.
So, first of all, I'm 23. Thank
Mhm.
you. Thank you very much. I am a full adult, full functioning, by the way.
But you're under the
not
influence of
only that-
alcohol.
Not only that, don't sit over here and lie to me
Stand
for
up.
no damn reason.
Face the wall.
Why the hell did you sit over here and lie to me? What the hell was the reason for that? Go ahead, do what you need to do. Shit.
Does Phelps have cups?
What was that?
Phelps's cups.
Here you
Ooh, I want you to move away from me. No. You can close the door now.
I've got it on body camera.
No.
Did you rebuckle yourself?
Yes, I did. I'm not leaving.
Melina.
Anyway, I'm gonna grab you. Yeah, of course the hell you are.
The woman was charged with driving under the influence. Do you believe that was truly her apartment complex, or did she enter there to evade the traffic stop?